Alright, so we had a bit of a fire in the garage. Just wanted to come out here and show you guys the aftermath. I mean, it was all kind of just over here, but you can see all this stuff got charred up pretty good. I'm about to come out here, clean all this up. I haven't been out into the garage since then. Had a lot of stuff up here. Speaker got all burned up. The fire was pretty much to like up here. And then my first reaction was grab this welding glove and pretty much carry it out of here. So now I got my arm looking like a crispy ass chicharron. So that's where we're at now. But I mean, the good thing is, let's see. Speaker still works. As you see, speaker's still working, so we're all good there. Motors are all still good. Everything on the cart survived, so as soon as my arm heals, I'll be back out here in a couple weeks and get back to work on these. And definitely do some spring cleaning, because this all could have been a lot worse. But that's it for now. We'll be back.